Dear student, class 12, exercise 14.2 LPP, question number 5. We have already discussed question number 4, 1 to 4. Now we discuss question number 5. It is the equations of minimize z is equal to 2x plus 3, and this is the given in equation. We have discussed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in equations. Now this equation may be written as in linear equation equal to x plus y is equal to 4. This is your first equation. In first equation, first we put x is equal to 0 and find the value of a y. Now put x is equal to 0, we get the y is equal to 4. If we put y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 4. This is the solution of linear equation first. Now in linear equation second, 3x plus y is equal to 4. In this equation we have also put x is equal to 0 and find the value of y, then y equal to 0, we have find the value of x is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 4. If y is equal to 4, then this value is 3x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 upon 3. Now in third equation of this is your equation second. Now third equation of this, x plus 5y is equal to 4. In this linear equation, we use above last method, x equal to 0, find the value of y, y is equal to 0, find the value of x. If we put x is equal to 0, then 5y is equal to 4, or y equal to 4 upon 5. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4 upon 5. If we put y is equal to, now we draw all the equation in the graph to find the value of minimize of x and y. Now this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, x dash, y dash. Now this is the origin. Now we discuss the value of x. X value is, this is value 4, 4 by 3 and 4. The highest value of x is 4. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we take equal distance of these on the graph. We make this graph on the graph. This is after tan line 1, after tan line this. Now we discuss equation first. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. This is y is equal to 4. This is x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0, this is x equal to 4. Now we join these 2 points with the scale. This is your equation number first. We write it 1. Now in second, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So we take y is equal to, this is your 4. And this is 4 upon 3. We get 4 by 3 means 1.33. It means 1.3. We take this value is 1.3. Now x is equal to 1.3. Now this is the mid value of between these two values 1 and 2. Now we take 1. This is the 1.5 between 1 and 2. And some less of these left hand side is take the value of 1.3. We write this 1.3. We join these value to 4. This is your equation second. Now in third equation say that x equal to 0, y is equal to 4 upon 5. We write 4 upon 5. Divide 4 by 5, we get 0.5. We write it 4 upon 5. And this x is equal to 4. This is x equal to 4. Now we join these 2.4.5 to 4. This is your equations number third. Now equation number, this say that x is equal to 3. We value the x is equal to 3. We take the straight lines of x is equal to 3. Because here the value of y equal to 0. And this is say that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So then we take the value y is equal to 3. This is equation number 4 and this is equation number 5. We draw the graph of all these equations. Now we take the common area for these equations. Now put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equation first, second, third. after we discuss these result, in first equation we have put in equations. This is in equation first, second, third. We put this value x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 is less than equal to 4. Yes, it is true. Then true from by equation first. Then true, we make the area of to the origin. Then this is equation first. This is the graph of equation first. Now it is true, then the area becomes toward the origin. Now origin is this point. Now in second equation say that 3x plus y greater than 4. We put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0 is greater than equal to 4. But it is a false statement. Then false statement, then v goes to opposite to the origins. Now this is your equation number second. Equation number second, this is your equation number second. Now we have find the value of this. This is the graph of equation second. Now we get the area of region of this opposite to the origin. Now this is the origin, opposite to the origin toward the upper side. Now this is the area of these two lines. And in line third, we put the x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. We get, if put the x 0, y 0, 0 is greater than equal to 4, which is also a false statement. So then origin toward the origin, opposite to the origin of equation third. This is your equation number third. Now this is say that area of this also became opposite to the origin. Now these are three equations, we have solved this. Now for the graph of equation 4 and 5, x is equal to 3. He said that if we put 0 is less than 3. In equation 4, put x is equal to 0, 0 is less than equal to 3. This is true statement. Then true statement, then the area becomes toward the origin. X is equal to 3. Then this area became to origin. Now origin of this side. Now last equation of this, y is y. Put the value of y is 0. 0 is less than 3. This is also true statement. Now true statement, y also became the area of toward the origin. It means downward. Now we have find the common area of all these. Now this is the area. This is the common area of, we write this area, all these. This belong to this upward side, this is lower side. Now these are your point love A, B, C, D and E. This is your required area of A, B, C. Now required area of graph A, B, C, D, E bounded by these points. This is your required area. Now we find the point of A. This is point A, B, C, D and E, and then discuss the minimized area. First we find the value of A. Here the value of A, this is the value of A. This is the intersection of point equation 5 and this is equation number second. Now we solve equations number 5. This is equation number 5 and this is equation number second. We solve these two equations, find the value of x and y. Y has already value this, y is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3, put in equation this, we get the value of x. 3x plus 3 is equal to 4. 3x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 upon 3. Now the coordinate of point A is x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 3. This is the point of this. Now we find the point of B. For point of B we have find the value of y is already exist. This is the point of y is equal to 3 and this is the equation of a graph of equation first. Now this is the equation of first. We put y is equal to 3 in equation first. This is the equation first. X plus 3 equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. Now we have find the value of point B is 1 and 3. Now we find the point of C. This is the point of C. It is the intersection of this equation number second and this equation number third. Now this is equation second and third. We solve these equation second and third. Second equation say that 3x plus y equal to 4, and third equation say that x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now we solve these equation. We multiply this equation by 3. 3x 15 and this is 12. Now we neglect common minus minus, cancel this, get minus 4 upon 7. We take 7 is the LCM. 28 minus 4 by 7, we get 24 upon 7. We take the value of x, then take 3 to downwards, we cancel this, we get the value of this 8 by 7. This is the value of C. Now the point of C is x is equal to 8 by 7, y is equal to 4 by 7. Now we find the value of A. This is the point of D. Now it is the value of x. X is equal to 3. And this is the equation of a third. Now we have find the common point between this 4 and a third. This is your third and this is your fourth. We have already find the value of x is equal to 3. We put the x is equal to 3 in this equation. We have find the value of a y. x3 plus 5y is equal to 4. 5y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 by 5. This is y and this is x. This is the coordinate of D. Now the point of D, coordinate of D is 3 and 1 by 5. Now we have find the point E. E is the intersection of this equation 4 and this equations first. So x value we are given find out is x is equal to 3. If we put the x is equal to 3 in equation first, we put this value x is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 1. So now is the point of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. This is the put the value of A, B, C, D and E in Z to find the minimum area, minimum value of D. Z is equal to 2x plus 3y. We put first of them value of A. A is 1 by 3 and 3. Put here 2 multiply 1 by 3, 3 multiply 3. We get 2 by 3 plus 9. 9 27 plus 2 29 upon 3. This is the first value of A by A. Now we put the value of B in Z. This is the value of B is 1 and 3. 2 multiply 1, 3 multiply 3. We get 2 plus 9. We get 11. And this is the value of C is 8 by 7 or 4 by 7. 2 multiply 8 by 7 and plus 3 multiply 4 by 7. This is 16 by 7 plus 12 by 7. We get 28 by 7. It means 4. Now D value is 3 and 1 by 5. Z is equal to 2 multiply 3 plus 3 multiply 1 by 5. We get 6 plus 3 by 5. This is 33 by 5. And E is the value of 3 and 1. Z is equal to 2 multiply this plus 3 multiply 1. We get 6 plus 3, 9. Now we say that we have find the minimum value of all these points. This say that this value is 9.6. We take this. This is 11. This is 4. This is 6.6. This is 9. So now minimum value of all these points is 4. So now we write is minimum value equal to 8 by 7 and y is equal to 4 upon 7. This is your question.